Within this video, we will show you how to use a conditional transformer. We add the data transformer of a conditional transformer, and then you can see, as you would see with programming, that you have your if, then, and else if and else, which is very common for programming languages as well, which is very useful to check data. If something happens, you can make something else happen or not happen. So let's add a condition. For example, we have the value condition. We go for the key accessor and we add the key of pipe, which in this case is 12. And we go for the condition and we say if is greater than 12, let's say greater than 13, we will then do a copy using a pattern, for example, and we send products to shipping products. Currently, the value that's greater than, it's looking for something greater than 13. If we run it, nothing will happen. If we change the type to number 14, you can see that shipping products now is a copy from products. And that's how you can use a conditional transformer.